Hi everyone, my name is Anita Fonteboa and I'm an author. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own book trailers for your own books. I'm going to show you templates that you can make your own book covers. You can create your own ebook, print book using the templates that they have, and you can change it up to have your name or any other graphics that you want onto this book. They have different kinds that you have here, and I use one of these to showcase my book trailer that I mimicked using one of the covers that I put into my own words. You have a plethora of sci-fi from general fiction. You also have nonfiction, you have fantasy, all of the ones that you want to look into, they have that here. This is another one that I wanted to show you for book mockups that you can use for your social media. This is something that I created. These are the two books that I created using the templates that they had to showcase it in the book trailers that I'm creating for you. But I wanted to show you that you can also create your own social media mockups using some of the templates that they have. So I'm gonna just highlight some of the covers that I think would be good. And we're gonna put this book right here that I'm gonna create, and I'm gonna just convert it right now. It's gonna take a couple of seconds and it's gonna download, and then we're gonna see how it turns out using the mockups that we've created. And it's a great way. They have a plethora, so many options for you to use on BookBrush. And the videos, the images are now available, and we're gonna download them. And I'm gonna check right here. This is my download. So as you can see, this is the mock-up that I made of this fake book using one of the book trailers that I'm gonna create. This is just one of them, another one as well. I like this one. This one is in a tablet feature of what it would look like. And this is the one that would be on your phone. Like if you were to have a tablet or a phone, like a Kindle that you can read your books on. So now when you are picking the template for your book trailer, you have to see what your genre is, what closely aligns to what you're looking for. You should have like a list of what words you're gonna say for your text, and as well as have your mock-ups for your books already ready so you can just throw them into your video. And I'm just looking into typing in romance to see what kind of videos pop up. And this is a list of some of the videos, and I actually chose this one that we are going to show right here. This is one of the videos that I decided to choose for like a romance thriller. And the next one is me putting in the words, and this is the actual video. We were so in love, and you see how it ends. It's a video that's like 4.5 seconds long, and you can trim your video to be whatever size you want your video to be. You can have a video that's 30 seconds long. It just depends on what genre you have. And also, if people will last long to watch your video. It shouldn't be that long that it kind of tunes them out. The next one is the next in the sequence of the video. Until he killed me, and now I have to make them know what he did. And you want to create that angst, that thriller energy if your book genre is in this element. And the next one is where you showcase your book. So this is the book trailer that would pop out for the new video, for the new book that you have. Coming soon, November 11th. This is where you take the mock-ups that you created on BookBrush and you upload them to Canva, and you space them out the way that you want, depending upon what you downloaded. But you should have different kind of mock-ups of your books where they're facing straight, they're on a cell phone, or they're on a tablet, or they're on an actual book, and you can have them shifting in different directions. Now, we're gonna go into another kind of genre that has to do with sci-fi. I created this other video here that I'm going to showcase right now. Say you have a science fiction book that you want to do a book trailer for. Again, you can go into Canva and choose from all of the options that they have. So you could put in sci-fi, just like that, and see what pops up. You're going to get a list of all of these videos, and some of them are 19 seconds long, some of them are 20 seconds, long, 5 seconds long. Again, you have to trim them to be what you want. Make sure that you write down what your video is going to be about, dedicating it towards your book theme of what your book is about. So I created this next book, a trailer to this book that I created. And here we see that it's going to start. The mission was to pick up and deliver the package to the palace. So it already has that, ooh, because it's sci-fi. Now we're going to go to the next part of the video where we're right here, where it says, not get lost in another dimension, but wouldn't it be so bad only if Riley would notice me? So this is another portion of it. As you can see, you're going through the cycles. You're going to another realm or another dimension, and you don't know what's going to happen. And then the next part of your video should be you announcing the book. It is here. The book is called Lost, and it's coming out on November 11th. So as you can see, some of these are things that you can create by yourself. You can also go into an audio program that you can pay for, you can get for free, that you can also upload an audio for your book trailer, as well as you can do a voiceover in your book trailer if you want to speak the words instead. That's one of the different kind of genres that I wanted to showcase to you. And this is my video that I created for my upcoming book that's coming out next month. As I said, I added music to it. You want to recharge your mind, body, and spirit, looking to attract good luck into your life? Do you need to clear out negativity and make space for positive energy? ¿Necesita encontrar equilibrio y sentirte renovado? Ahora en español, rituales de limpieza, guía paso a paso. So what are you waiting for? Improve yourself year-round with the cleansing rituals. You can pre-order your copy today. And this is an example of my trailer for my new book that's coming out, Rituales de Limpieza, Guía Paso a Paso, which is the Spanish version of my cleansing rituals book. I wanted to create a little bit of drama, intrigue, and that's why I showcased it in this format, in this way. So you can create a book trailer any way you want that's based upon your genre for your book. My book is nonfiction. My book has to do with cleansing, with fast, with making yourself feel better. So that's why I had sage, I had incense, I had the flowers in the bath. All of these had to do with my book. So you can create the same thing for your book using Canva. I hope this has helped you, because when I started this journey as an author almost 2 years ago, it was very hard for me to know exactly how to promote my book or how to post a book cover on social media. And little by little, I started learning, and I decided to create this video in order to help you create your own book trailers. But not only that, your own social media mock-ups for your own books, where you can design it any way you want using BookBrush or using Canva. As I said, this is a learning experience, and I hope this has helped you in your author journey. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Anita Fonteboa, right here, as well as follow me on TikTok and on Instagram under Anita Fonteboa, and on Facebook under Anita Fonteboa Author. And are you interested in joining my fan author group? Well, you can. It's called the Witchy Crew Community. I'm going to leave a link here for you to join now and in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please leave me a comment if this has helped you, or if you have any questions about promoting your book or just creating a mock-up yourself. Thank you so much.